Hello guys, today let's dive into the JavaScript's array features. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button. So let's start with the video. Here I have an index.html and the index.html contains the div tag and the index.js file is also linked with this. So here I have an index.js and here I have gotten this div tag by document.getElement by id. So here I have a div tag. I have also an array here. Here's some values are duplicate like 3 1 and let's assign some other duplicates 5. So let's start with this first feature. If you want the array with only unique values and not the duplicate values like 3 1 and 5, if you want to remove this, you have to do only one thing, which is let's create a variable unique array and new set and array. You have to pass inside the bracket and 3 dots. Let's see once again. Here 3 dots, new set, and you have to pass the array here. This set will return the values which are unique, not duplicate values. Here it will check 1 2 3. This 3 will as rejected, like oh, 3 is again here, so let's reject 2 is also rejected 1. So here unique array will set will return only unique array. Let's elm dot inner html is equal to unique array, and let's print this. So 1 2 3 5 6 7. So here you have the unique values. So with only one line code, you can get the only unique values and reject the duplicate values if you want sometimes. So let's move on to the next feature. So let's remove this code and some values also, 3 4 5. So if you want to add some values here at the runtime, so you can add like array.push. This will always push the value in the last position, 6, and elm dot inner html is equal to array. So let's refresh the page. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I hope you have gotten this. Here I have an array 1 2 3 4 5 and I have pushed the value 6 and again printed the array. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. This push method will return the position where 6 is pushed. So let's alert I and refresh this. So 6, because this 6th is pushed at the 6th position, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So let's dive in the pop method. Here array the pop method will only pop the last element. So array dot pop, and let's refresh. So here I have an array 1 2 3 4 5 and I have called the pop in this array, and I have assigned the array in the inner HTML of ELM. So here 1 2 3 4 and 5 is popped out. So this is the second feature that you can use. So let's move on the third feature. Here I have an array. If you want to empty the array in the one line, what you can do is array dot length is equal to 0, and let's print the array. Inner HTML is equal to array. So let's alert the array before making the length 0. Array and let's refresh the browser. So the array's value is 1 2 3 4 5 and nothing is gonna printing because this array is now empty. So you can just make the length of the array is equal to 0 if you want to empty this array. So let's move to next feature. So as you saw in the previous feature, you can only pop out the last element. What if you want to delete the any random value? So let's see here. You have to do delete array and you have to pass the index here. So let's pass index. So this is index 0, this is index 1, and I have assigned here array. So let's refresh the browser. So here 2 is deleted. 2 is deleted in the array. So you can make the comma removed, but here in this array you have removed the array. So let's alert the array once. Alert array, and let's refresh this. And you can also remove the comma, maybe according to me. Delete array to no, I think this is not gonna work. This will remove 3 also. So I will tell you how to remove the comma in the next section. So here delete will work if you want to delete the random value. So let's move on to the next feature. So here if you can also use shift and unshift to remove the elements, which will also work very easily properly. So let's move to next feature. Here I have removed this, and let's have some string values like dog, cat, elephant, and let's have something like parrot. So if you want to sort this array according to the characters, so you have to just write array dot sort method and elm dot inner html is equal to array, and let's print this array. Refresh. So C, D, E and P, this array is sorted. And also if you want to sort the values which are numbers, then you can do one thing is here 10, 90, 80, 60. So you have to do what here array dot sort and function. Here you have to pass the two variables here and pass it into the function and return a minus b. This will compare by taking two values at a time like 10 and 20, and this will perform some internal things, and this will make your array sorted. So let's print this array. I'm gonna refresh this. So here I have the value like 10, 90, 80, 60. The sorted array is 10, 60, 80, 90, and if you want to sort the array in the descending order, so you have to do only is b minus a, and let's refresh this. So 90, 80, 60 and 10. So here I have tell you some features which you can use in JavaScript that will make your experience with the array easier. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel to get more tricks daily. Thank you guys.